Hello, good morning, friends. Once again, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing very well. Today, we will be discussing that another fantastic and my favorite indicator, Bollinger Bands, and its support and resistance. Bollinger Bands help us to be profitable in the volatile market. So let's get started. Bollinger Bands basically we will discuss about the support and resistance in the market. Bollinger Bands is invented by John Bollinger. He is a financial analytics. So Bollinger, in the next video will be discuss how to plot the Bollinger and how to do some setting. But today we will cover up with only the theoretical part. So Bollinger Bands has three lines. In the middle it is basically, as you already know, the simple moving averages, 20 SMA. Upper side, it has a deviation of around plus 20 of 20 SMA, which will act mostly as a resistant. And below, negative side, we call it lower Bollinger Band, which is deviation of 20 SMA, which is minus 20, which will act as a support in the market. So Bollinger has three lines. Middle one is known as the 20 SMA. We call it lower Bollinger Band, which is minus 20, which will act as support, and then upper side deviation of plus 20, which we call it upper Bollinger Bands. It will act as a resistance. Now we will discuss in details. Bollinger Bands support and resistance, how to identify. The upper line, we can mark a line. It will act as a resistant, especially during the sideways of market. And below, we can mark a line with having the low Bollinger Bands as support. So most probably 70% the market will move between this Bollinger Band, and 30% of it will break either upper side of Bollinger Band or downside of lower Bollinger Band, which we call it breakout or expansion of Bollinger Band. So now, while trading, we should not use Bollinger indicator as a single one, but we have to combine with other tools like candlestick pattern, chart pattern, price action, and also with help of data. So this will provide us more confirmation and more confidence, and our accuracy will improve almost 70 to 80%. So let's discuss about the contraction of Bollinger Bands. In any market, there is a sideways or range-bound market or breakout or trending market. So we can identify with help of the Bollinger Band. If the market remains between the Bollinger Bands or upper and lower, then most probably the market will remain in the contraction of Bollinger Bands with the sideways or range-bound market. We call it shrinking or contraction of Bollinger Bands, whereas 70 to 80% of the market will remain in the consolidation period or sideways. For example, we have drawn the upper Bollinger Bands with the candlestick patterns as a resistance, and lower Bollinger Band with help of candlestick pattern we can draw a support line where the market will remain between this period as the Bollinger Bands. Once it has made the expansion, it is nature that it will cool down or it will shrink or contract. So we call it a contraction or shrinking of Bollinger Bands. So we can trade in between that, or we can do scalping. Or if you are an option buyer, you should not buy. Instead, you should write the option. Now, opposite of expansion and contraction, opposite of shrinking and contract of the Bollinger Bands, after a certain time, the Bollinger Band will start to expand. This is the nature of market. So we call in the shrinking, we call it accumulation or distribution period or sideways. And after a certain time, the Bollinger Band will expand. It will either break the resistant upper Bollinger Band or lower Bollinger Band, depends on the market sentiments. So with help of the RSI, if the RSI remains between 60 and 40, market usually stays in the sideways. If it breaks above 60, then the momentum of market will start. Same way, if the candlestick breaks above the upper line of Bollinger Bands, we call it expansion. Whenever it occurs, you can go for the long. If you are a derivative trader, you can go for long, but you should avoid writing the options during that expansion period. Let's look at the examples. Here you see before the market is in between the Bollinger Bands, and suddenly the market gets breakout. So whenever the crossing of that bullish candle, high of that bullish candle, we can go for long by keeping stop loss below this resistance level with buffer of 1 or 2 points. So you can write the upper trend. So these are the basic of Bollinger Bands. And here also you can see that the RSI indicator has given the indication the market is gaining this trend. As we have already discussed in earlier video, if you have not gone through all those videos, please do visit my channel and watch the video. Master these few indicators. As we know that there are thousands of indicators and strategies, but you should focus only for few indicators, and you have to master with that. So in order to do that, through my experience, I have selected few indicators which have given me a profitable trade and increased my accuracy of my trade. So I have been doing some research, and I am still studying on those indicators, and I am learning a lot. So because of that, I can share with you in order to make you a successful trader. At the last, whichever indicator you use, whichever trading strategy you adopt, please kindly do manage your risks. Risk management is the number one strategy you should adopt at the beginning of trading. If you can't do that risk management, how much money you have, it doesn't matter. The market will kick you out from the market. So therefore, risk management is very crucial. And in order to do risk management, please, number one, do use or combine other indicator with the Bollinger Band. Study about the candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and also learn how to read the market data, because all this will help you develop skills in the trading, and it will help you to make more profit, and in longer duration you can be one of the successful traders in the stock market or in any other market. And another thing is, you have to keep on learning. Whichever trading strategy you adopt, please do make sure that you master on those few trading strategy rather than jumping from one strategy to another. So thank you so much for your time. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. If you feel that my video is very valuable, please do like and press the bell button. And thank you so much for your time. Wish you a very successful trading session in the coming days. Take care and bye.